Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw with Miss M channel. How are you? I hope you're doing great. So today we're gonna draw a special character from a famous series whom any kid in the world really loves. Can you guess who he is? Alright, I will slowly show him to you and shout out his name if you know him, okay? Who is he? Yeah, you're right. He is Pikachu. As usual, all you need to prepare is some papers, a pen, a pencil, an eraser, and any kinds of colors that you have. Are you ready? Let's draw with me. Alright. Here comes our model today. Can you guess where we start first? Yes, we will draw a curve to form his head first. There it is. Now it's turn for his chubby cheeks. Let's draw his left cheek first. And then his right cheek. Done! On his head, go to the left and draw his left pointed ear. Draw one curved line first and finish with another one. There you go. Then repeat the same steps with his right ear. Ta-da! And inside his ears, draw two lines like this to separate the black and yellow parts. Okay, with his left arm, start with a short curve. Then the elbow and another line below. Finish with his little fingers. There you go. About his right arm, draw a short line from behind his ear. His head. Small fingers. And the rest of his arm. Yay, well done. Right beneath his left arm, going down and making a big curve to the right. Repeat the same step for the rest of his body. Done. And then his left foot with some toes. Small, tiny toes. Don't forget the other foot. And great. And now it's time for his zigzag-shaped tail. Draw the upper zigzag first. Slowly and nicely. Okay, now going down, then complete with another zigzag. Yes. Okay, and also don't forget to add a short zigzag line here for his tail. In the middle of his face, draw a small triangle for his nose. And then two circles for his two eyes. One eye, and then the other one. Now give him a cute, happy smile right there with his tongue inside. Wow, he looks so happy. Finally, 2 rosy cheeks. Alright everyone, it's time for you to trace your Pikachu today. As I always say, take it easy. You don't need to rush. Great job! Let's erase all the pencil marks to make him look nice and neat. Alright, now you know what time is it? It's time to finish him with colors. And done! Our Pikachu! Well, thank you so much for drawing with Miss M today. I hope you had a lot of fun. It would be amazing if you sent me your drawings via my email. I will be so happy. And it's time to say goodbye and see you guys in my next videos. Bye!